monthly sleeper here. We take him out, yeah? If yours in proper confidence, yeah? So, yep. Perhaps in the centre line, yeah? So, again, as okay, you must punch, if he's very gentle, you must punch towards my head. I'm not 7 foot tall, so it's no good punching up there, yeah, which you see a lot, and it's no good punching out to the right, so I'm not there either, or to the left, yeah, and here in front of him. So you must make sure you are practicing your strikes as well. When you make showmen, make yokemen, you look for a target and you aim for it with control. Obviously, if you say at the beginning, you're not going to punch him on the nose, yeah, but you must make sure that I have a reason to move. If you punch, just punch in there, yeah. Fantastic, mate. You'll have to move. Yeah? Unfortunately, when we get closer, I have to do it. Yeah? That's it, in the way it's just relaxed, yeah, I can step through and make it even more interesting. Oh, sorry. Into here. Look at it. I hope he's washed his hands after he's been to the toilet. No, it wasn't Aikido. Surimi. Ah! Got your eye. Sit. Yeah? It's a military. My mind's eye, that's what I'm doing. It is mind's eye. You have to leave it. Yes! Okay, shall we try? Right.